Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to talk about 16 English grammar mistakes Indian commonly make. Okay, so let's get started. Myself or I am Suresh. Okay, I usually see people use myself Suresh or myself I am Suresh. This is absolutely wrong sentence. Always start I am Suresh or I am Rachna while introducing yourself. Never start from myself. Okay, this is the wrong sentence. Next one is I am having 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. It's right. Okay. He do not have a laptop. Wrong. He does not have a laptop. Does she has a car? Wrong. Does she have a car? Okay, does is used in the beginning and have indicates ownership, that she is having a car. Today office is there. Today office is there. Question is asked. Okay, and people generally reply yes, office is there. This is absolutely wrong sentence. Okay, you can ask is today a working day or are we working today? So answer would be yes, today a working day or we are working today. Okay. Next one is that only she is very arrogant. Wrong. And the right sentence will be that was what I said, she is very arrogant. Okay. Last before year she got very good marks. Wrong. Year before last she got very good marks. Okay. He did not wrote the test last week. This is wrong. He did not write the test last week. Always verb 1 is used with did. Okay, so keep it remember in your mind. I cannot cope up with this pressure. Wrong. I cannot cope with this pressure. I came to office by walk. Wrong. I came to office on foot. Okay, we can say by car, by bus, by train, by flight, but we cannot say by walk. Okay, as it is foot which is being used to travel, not walk. Okay. Next one is what is the time in your watch? Wrong. What is the time by your watch? Okay. Our classroom is in the 3rd floor. Wrong. Our classroom is on the 3rd floor. The price of this mobile phone is higher than yours. Wrong. The price of the price of this mobile phone is higher than that of yours. Okay. Next one is his son-in-laws have come home. Wrong. His sons-in-law have come home. In plural form we always use sons-in-law, brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law. Okay, so this is the right sentence. Next one is he has white hairs. He has white hairs. Wrong. He has gray hair, not hairs. All our hair can't be counted, it's uncountable, so we generally say okay, and this is the right word that we say hair, not hairs. Next one is I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee to tea. Okay, why this is? Because prefer is always followed by the preposition to. Okay, so yeah, knowledge of grammar and vocabulary is very essential for learning English and for speaking fluent English, as you can see. So these are the mistakes which we always make while speaking English, so we just need to take care of all these mistakes. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to share in this video. I hope that will be very helpful for you. And at the last of the video I would like to say only one thing: if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all my videos. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. So yeah, keep watching my videos and supporting me and loving me. Yeah, thank you.